Now let's create this part in SolidWorks part design. So just we will enter into here new part. Let's say OK. For example, on the front plane, I am going for sketch. Now we are starting with this profile from this vertical line, again horizontal and vertical. Just I will go for line somewhere here, one vertical line straight to this horizontal, then one vertical. Dimension for this vertical line we are having height of 2. This length we are having here 45. Then this height we are having here 78. Let's give all these parameters. Then next to that we are having this shape. This shape we need to create here with ellipse profile. So just I will go for ellipse. Center point I will select somewhere here. Then end point should be up to here in this direction like this. Now here we don't want this entire ellipse profile. We need only this quarter section. So to make that trim, just I will create one horizontal construction line exactly here. We'll go for trim. We'll trim this extra element like this. Then dimension for this ellipse profile, vertically we are having here 104. Dimension from this to this we are having height of 104. Then this width we are having total 45 from this one to this end, but we are going to create this inside profile now. So here gap we are having with thickness of 2 mm. So we will take here 45 minus 2, 43. From this point to this we are having horizontally 43 like this. Then just if we try to move this profile, let me try to move this. Here we are having not proper shape. It means this point is not fixed exactly at center. So we will make here add relation between this point should be on this line. We'll make it here coincident like this. Let's say okay. Now same ellipse profile we need one more on left side with a distance of 2 mm. So directly we can go for offset entitles. Just we need dimension of 2. Only this curve we want, this direction. Let's say okay. Then to make it a closed profile, just we will create one line between these two endpoints. Then later to that we will go for creating this shape. As you can see here, one 3-point arc is there from this point to somewhere here with radius of 90. For this end point, horizontally we are having gap of 6, vertically we are having here 12. Now let me go here with 3-point arc. Exactly from this end point to somewhere here like this. Dimensions from this end point to this point we are having horizontally 6. Dimension from this point to this vertically we are having here 12 like this. Then radius for this we are having here 90. Let's give radius of 90 here like this. Again next to that one more 3-point arc is there with radius of 150. It should start from this point. Again 3-point arc exactly from this point to somewhere here in this direction with radius of 150. Let's give 150 dimension. Again one more curve we are having here tangent to this and tangent to this outer ellipse profile with radius of 68. Now again let me create one 3-point arc like this. Then add relation between this curve to this curve we need tangent. Clear selection. This outer ellipse to this curve tangent. Then radius for this we are having here radius of 68. Let's give 68 radius here. Then we will go for trim. We will trim this unwanted elements like this. We don't want all these things. Just we will trim this. Then as you can see here, this point will be moving freely like this. Then here also relation we need to apply. Add relation this to this we need here tangent. Let's say okay. Now this point will be moving here. Just adjust there. Then as you can see, dimension from this point to this vertical line horizontally we are having 5 mm. From this point to this vertical line, we are having horizontally 5. Let's give the dimension. Now as you can see, profile is fully defined. Exit sketch, make it here isometric. So just we can make it here isometric. You can use this option, or else directly you can use shortcut as Ctrl+7 like this. Then we'll go here with revolve boss features, revolve boss. For this sketch, central axis is this line. If I select this line, proper shape we will get here like this. So if you want to apply some color, directly we can go here, mouse right click, appearance, we can apply whatever the color we want for this particular part like this. Let's say okay. Like that we can create this model. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting.